go.
Testing the router by the existing Yagi antenna. As you can see, the router handshake with the Yagi antenna, which means that the antenna is a handshake with the router itself. Now I'll test the external antenna of the router itself. You notice that the antenna will handshake. Now, as you can see, the antenna become external from built-in. If I remove it, automatically it will be built-in. Same with the other side. It will be goes to the built-in. No more antenna. Then we will try your antenna that we bought from you. Here's your 10 antennas. The connector is male and the router is female and correct connections. Then directly I will insert the antenna 1. But the problem is the status of the antenna didn't change. Still it will be built in, which means that the antenna in the router didn't handshake. I'll test the antenna number 2 from here. This is the antenna number 2. Same, didn't change the antenna status, which meant that the antenna didn't handshake to the router itself. Again, I'll test again for the original external antenna, so that you can show you that the router is working. Now, as you can see, the antenna 2 changed when I installed the external antenna. Now I test antenna number 3. Again, no changes to the antenna status, which means the antenna didn't handshake with the router. Test number 4, antenna number 4. Again, no changes. Again, to show you I'll test again for the existing external. Again, it changed to external. That means it's handshake. Now I'll test number 5. Again, same, didn't handshake with the router. Again, we will check the other side, which I'll change the external. Then I remove the other one so that you can test the other side. See, antenna number 1 is turned to built-in. Then I'll test the number 6 antenna. Again, no changes, which means again the antenna didn't handshake with the router. I'll test number 7. This is number 7. Again, no changes. I'll test the external. It changed to external antenna. Then number 8. Here. Still no changes. Then I'll check number 9. This is number 9. Still no changes. Number 10. Then still no changes, which means all 10 antennas didn't handshake with our routers, existing routers. We will check what is the frequency that coming through the routers by the apps. As you can see, it's for the 2437 megahertz, which means it's still the range of the antenna that I bought to you. So within the range of the frequency. Okay.